Astro.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan the Barber from Man Barbershop. Today we're going to do a mid fade. I'm going to take you through it step by step. Let's check it out.
Step 1, we're going to take the bulk off. In the case of this client, we're going to use a number 3, so it'll be easier to create a line with the T outliner. With the T outliner, we're going to create a line with the contour of the head. As you can see, there's a little curve over the ear, and then we drop it a little bit down in the back. That's how it should look. Now we're going to use our balder. I like to use the Andis Pro Foil, and we're going to create another line slightly below it. Now we're going to use the Andis Master, and we're going to create a guideline with the Andis Master open all the way. As you can see, it's about a 1/4 inch up. The next step, we're going to put the 1/16 guard on and create a 1/4 inch guideline over the one we just created. Then we're going to get the 1/8 and create another line on top of the 1/16 guideline. And as you can see, we're creating several guidelines. And we're going to continue this throughout the haircut. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into binary. One of our last guidelines is going to be with the number 3. And then with the 4, we're going to go around the crown of the head, where this part is going to join with the top of the head later on. Once we created all our guidelines, we're going to start our blending techniques.
Someone said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said, someone said, motherfucker, someone said.
After doing a little blending with the T outliner, you're going to get the Fade Master, and you're going to close it and take out the line of the T outliner. The best way to do this is to use your lever. Use the notches as guides.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust.
Then you'll get your Andis Master, and you'll blend from the 000 to the 1.
Like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight, not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double.
And now you're going to add your 1/16 guide, and this one is going to take out the line that you made with your Andis Master.
It's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Vegas in my eyes. Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes.
Use your lever throughout this blending technique. Use the notches as guides.
You not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm busy.
After we're done creating a rough draft, we're going to join the top of the hair with the side. Remember that we used the 4 around the crown of the head, and now we're going to join both of them together using our scissor technique. My fingers are a little smaller, so a 4 works well for me. If you have fatter fingers, maybe a 5 will work out for you. As you can see, that bottom part is the 4, and I'm just joining it to the top. Blow dry the hair so you can see any deformities that you may have left behind. And you're going to use the clipper over comb technique to smooth out the fade. And this will completely join the top with the side. Clipper over comb and freehand are advanced techniques, but they are techniques that are essential to creating a smooth haircut. So practice them as much as you can. After we're done creating the rough draft, we want to start doing our lineup, and this is going to also be a rough draft lineup. Do everything as if you were going to finish the haircut, but it's far from done.
That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him.
The last step of our rough draft is going to be to create the hair part line. Some people call it the comb over line.
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
After creating your rough draft, you can go ahead and repeat all the steps that I showed you from the beginning of the video. The more you repeat those steps, the smoother your fade is going to be. After we're done cleaning up the haircut, we're going to join the haircut with the beard using our Fade Master. For techniques on how to do beards, that will come out in future videos, so stay tuned for those. After we're done with the haircut and the beard, now we can wash and style the hair, which is going to make your haircut pop. Don't let your clients leave the chair without you styling it. The wash is optional, but make sure you blow dry it and put some gel so the customer can get full value of your service. I like to use Suavecito for comb overs, and I use the Esquire hair dryer brush combo, which makes a really nice comb over. Thank you for watching. Here's the finishing product. For future videos, stay tuned to my page, hit like or subscribe if you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Jonathan the Barber from the Man Barbershop.
Who put this shit together? I'm the glue.